Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn donut charts in Excel. So let's see how it is used. Basically all the charts are used to show the graphical representations of different fields in Excel. So it looks like the donut chart looks like a donut as you usually see in your daily life routine. So let's see how it is used. First we will go to the Insert tab, and from here you can see there are multiple charts options are available with different names like column charts, line charts, pie charts, bar charts. The one we have discussed earlier was pie chart, and now we're going to learn the other charts. Like if you can just drag the mouse over it, or you can see that the other charts are insert stock, surface, donut, bubble, or radar chart. So we will click this button and we'll select the donut one. So there are different options. The one is the exploded donut, means that they are some at distances. Like the picture, you can see the definition. If I drag the mouse over it, display the contribution of each value to a total while emphasizing individual values, like an exploded pie chart, but it can contain multiple series. And if I drag the mouse over this one, that it says that it displays the contribution of each value to the total like a pie chart, but it can contain multiple series. So I'm gonna actually select this data series. I will select all the fields because I need all these to be shown in my donut charts. We'll select the donut chart, this one. So viewers, you can see that this is a donut chart of all the sales figures of different months product wise. And if you can see, the month of Jan has a red color, and all the red color you can see right from over here. And likewise Feb has a green color, March has a purple, and April has a turquoise, May has an orange, June has a light blue, and July has a pink one, and August has light green. So you can see multiple sales figures of different commodities month-wise, and there are other options are also available. Like if you want to change the design of your donut chart, you can just click any one of them, anyone you like to add in your donut chart. There are multiple designs are available, but the one which I want to use this one, because this way there are multiple colors are available, so it can has a clear picture of different commodities sales wise sale figure report. And the important thing I want to discuss over here is that if you can click this one and go to the format tab, here you can see the format selection, and from here you can actually have this one. Like if I click this one, and you can see that there are different options are available. And here if you click this, once you need to go to the format selection, then you need to click on this donut chart, and here you can see there are different series options are available. The series options are like the one angle of the first slice, no rotation, but if you gradually increase the rotations, and you can see that the rotation can always be changed with the help of this. It can rotate it up to 360 degrees, and it's up to you. It's up to your requirement whether you want to change it or not. But I don't want to change this rotation, so I would like to use the 0 one. So, and if you want to the point explosion, you can always select it. From here you can select donut explosion, donut hole size. From here you can increase the hole size, this one, this way, and this one. It can be extended up to like this, but I would suggest that you can use up to 50%. That would be okay, fine. So there are other options that are available, like you can fill different textures, colors according to your taste and requirement. Like if I want to change the texture, it can always be changed. And if I want to change this one, then I can go to the border fill style, and from here I can change the texture to green. So here you can add multiple colors, multiple textures, border colors, border styles, shadows, 3D format. It's all up to you. And if you want to like change its position, you can always extend like this. This way you can extend it, but if you want to have a closer look, you can always keep all the donut closer or at a distance, or it's all up to you. Select a particular one, you can change the shapes and sizes according to your requirements. So it's very helpful if you want to see this one, and you can keep it away from the other donut chart of a different field, then it is always helpful for you. So that's all, and thanks for watching.